Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Better Place. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So today we are going to learn about punctuation marks. Before this, we have already learned about different punctuation marks in detail in previous classes. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recall the rules of punctuation learnt earlier. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mudaththir, verse 1 to 5. O you covered up in your cloths, arise and warn and proclaim your Lord's greatness and keep your garments pure and avoid uncleanliness. Yes, my dear students, what these beautiful verses telling us? But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is calling our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Al-Mudaththir. Oh, you covered up in your clothes. So my dear, beta in Arabic, when you say yeah, it's a call with love. Oh my dear. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And beta, you know, Quran is the speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And after our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, these messages for all of us, right? So what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, arise and warn and proclaim your God's greatness. So tell to everyone how great our Allah is, alhamdulillah, and keep your garments pure. So a Muslim should be neat and clean, tidy all the time, all right? And avoid uncleanliness, because Allah does not like uncleanliness, right? So beta, these beautiful verses, there are many messages in it. So one thing which I just want you to look this. Oh, you covered up in your clothes, and there is a mark, punctuation mark. So where do we use it? We have learned about it, what this mark is called, and where do we use it? We are going to learn further. So tell to your teacher, what is an exclamation mark? And where do we place an exclamation mark? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember this is exclamation mark. And where do we use it? We use it to show strong emotions, the way we have used it in this. So this is exclamation mark, and we use it to show strong emotions, as well as when we call to someone. So this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to our beloved Prophet with love. So this exclamation mark is there. So we use it. For example, if you call for help, we use this help, right? So to show strong emotions. So what is the message? Basically, beta, all the punctuation mark has their own expression. When we talk, when we speak, we express these expressions through our words. But when we write, in writing, to show the same expression, we need to place a punctuation mark, right? And that's why we need to learn all the punctuation marks. So what punctuation marks are? Punctuation marks are used in writing to separate sentences and their elements to clarify meanings. For example, look at this sentence. It's my money, not yours, right? Now you see, beta, every word has it. And if I replace this comma and place it here, it becomes a new sentence. It's my money, not yours. So the meaning is totally changed. That's why if I just replace comma and place it on a wrong place, my sentence get wrong. That's why we should learn to place a punctuation mark properly, so that what we are writing, it makes a clear meaning. Understand? Okay. So what are the punctuation marks? Apostrophe, it's a small comma. We know that. Question mark, comma, full stop, and exclamation mark. Now let's recall it quickly. Where do we use them? Apostrophe. We use an apostrophe to show possession. We know that. Ali's jacket. So this apostrophe is telling jacket belongs to Ali. Umar's dress. Dress belongs to Umar. Cat's tail. Cat has a tail. Question mark. We use a question mark at the end of interrogative sentences, means we are asking, we are investigating, we are inquiring. So we use a question mark. For example, who are you? Where do you live? And which is your bag? So all are questions, so we have used a question mark. We use a full stop at the end of simple sentences. I am a student. That's it. We are all cousins. And I am your English teacher. All right. So beta full stop means this sentence ends over here and I don't want to add any detail to this. So I put a full stop. It means the sentence is completed here. All right. Comma. Where do we use comma? We use a comma to separate nouns, pronouns, and adjectives in a sentence. For example, go to the market and bring carrots, comma, potatoes and tomatoes. So to separate carrots from potatoes, we placed a comma between these two nouns. I, my friends and their cousins are going for a picnic. Now, I and my friend, to separate these pronouns, we place a comma. I like this red, fresh and juicy apple. So to separate red and fresh adjectives, we place a comma. We have learned it. So we use a comma in short formal dialogues as well. We have learned this use before that. Yes, you can. Please sit down. But the purpose in every case, the purpose of comma is to add a short pause. When we add it after nouns, pronouns, adjectives, it means you need to take a pause to separate the list of items of list. Likewise, when you are speaking, yes, you can. Please sit down. So the purpose is to add a short pause. No, you have to wait, right? This is how we use comma. So exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used after a word, a group of words, or a sentence expressing strong feelings. Hurrah! We have won the match. Oh no, we missed the school bus. You see, when we say it, we express it. Oh no. But when you are writing, how will you express? After oh no, you will place exclamation mark. Okay. So this is all what we have so far learned. We just quickly recalled it. Now let's practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 33, and there is an additional use of exclamation mark. It is often used after a command. So when you command someone, an interjection or a word shows surprise or anger. Sit down. Now, if I ask you, sit down, it means it's a command, so I need to put exclamation mark. So this is a new use of exclamation mark we just learned, and now we are going to practice all the punctuation marks through an activity. Teacher will divide class in 5 groups and write sentences on board without capitalization and punctuation marks. Turn by turn, one student will come and will rewrite the sentence on board with correct punctuation. So the sentence which teacher will write on board, students will correct it. If a punctuation mark is wrong or missed, the group will be out from the game and teacher will continue the activity till the time we decide the winner group. Okay, so let's see who have learned the punctuations correctly. Okay, pause the video, enjoy this activity in groups and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So every one of you tried. So every one of you is a winner for me. Good job. So we are going to practice it in your book, page number 33, and you will do this question 12. Write 10 sentences which show strong emotions. Okay. and also place exclamation mark. So all of you open your notebook, complete this task in your notebook, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. So this question number 14 is there in your books. You will rewrite this paragraph by placing proper punctuations. This is your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students to practice the punctuation marks. So what we have learned today, we recalled that we use apostrophe to show possession, we use full stop at the end of a simple sentence, and we use a question mark at the end of a interrogative sentence. We use comma to separate nouns, pronouns, and adjective in a sentence, and we also use a comma in a short formal dialogue. We also recalled that an exclamation mark is used after a word, a group of words, or a sentence expressing strong feelings. So in this way, we achieved the SLO to recall the rules of punctuation learned earlier. Are we done with it? Yes. And we thoroughly enjoyed doing it, right? So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.